Did you know that over 2 million creators are cashing in on YouTube Shorts every month? This recently launched feature has become a goldmine, offering a surprising new income stream. YouTube Shorts, short vertical videos, are rapidly gaining popularity, providing a fantastic opportunity for audience growth and income generation. With billions of views each day, the potential is enormous. If you're not already on this bandwagon, it's time to hop on and start making money with YouTube Shorts. Before you dive in, it's crucial to understand how YouTube Shorts work. Essentially, YouTube Shorts are quick, snappy videos that run for a maximum of 60 seconds. They're designed to be engaging and easily consumable, making them a perfect fit for today's fast-paced, mobile-first world. Unlike traditional YouTube videos, which can be as lengthy as the creator desires, Shorts are concise and to the point, offering bite-sized content that viewers can enjoy on the go. This format allows creators to reach a wider audience, as viewers are more likely to watch a short video in its entirety than commit to a longer one. The beauty of YouTube Shorts lies in its versatility. Whether you're sharing a quick tutorial, a comedy skit, or a mini documentary, this format gives you the freedom to express your creativity in a compact, viewer-friendly package. Grasping the basics of YouTube Shorts is the first step towards maximizing your earnings from it. Now, let's dive into some powerful strategies to maximize your earnings from YouTube Shorts. First off, create engaging content. This might sound obvious, but it's the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. Your videos need to be interesting, valuable, and entertaining. The more engaging your content, the more likely viewers are to stick around, watch more of your videos, and share them with their friends. This will increase your views, and more views mean more earnings. Next, use trending hashtags. YouTube Shorts, like other social media platforms, uses hashtags to categorize content. By using trending hashtags relevant to your video, you can tap into existing audiences and trends, potentially getting your content in front of a larger audience. Optimizing your video title and description is also crucial. These elements not only tell viewers what your video is about, but they also help YouTube's algorithm understand your content. Make sure your title is catchy and accurately represents your video. Your description should include relevant keywords and a compelling call to action. Consistency in posting is another key strategy. Regularly uploading new content keeps your channel fresh and encourages viewers to come back for more. Try to establish a consistent posting schedule that you can stick to. Remember, the more content you have, the more opportunities you have to earn revenue. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like and subscribe. This not only helps build a community around your channel, but also signals to YouTube that your content is engaging, which can boost your visibility on the platform. Each of these strategies, from creating engaging content to engaging with your audience, can help increase your viewership, subscriber count, and ultimately, your earnings. It's about creating a virtuous cycle where more engagement leads to more visibility, which leads to more views, and hence, more earnings. By implementing these strategies, you're setting yourself up for success on YouTube Shorts. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to start your journey of making money with YouTube Shorts. Let's get that creative energy flowing. Your first step may be small, a tiny ripple in the vast ocean of content. But remember, every great wave begins as a ripple. Your first video, your first like, your first subscriber, they're all stepping stones to something much bigger. This journey may not be a sprint, but a marathon. Success may not come overnight. It might take several tries, a slew of videos, a plethora of ideas. But with patience, persistence, and consistency, you can transform those ripples into waves. Each wave, each video, each subscriber brings you closer to your goal, a sustainable income stream through YouTube Shorts. Believe in the power of your creativity. Trust in the process. And most importantly, keep creating. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your YouTube Shorts journey today and watch as your income grows. Before you go, there's one more thing. If you found this video valuable, why not give it a thumbs up? Your likes help us reach more people like you, eager to learn about YouTube Shorts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss out on our upcoming content. If you think someone else would benefit from this video, feel free to share it. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success with YouTube Shorts.